Good morning, John. So this is the final sanding we've been doing over the last couple of days. This is the final sanding. The next step is the final coat of varnish, and Taylor will be doing that in probably later today, perhaps this evening or first thing tomorrow morning. And then there will be the painting of the lines, and then we'll be putting the upholstery item back around here. We'll be doing a cleanup, be putting the hardware back on, and we'll be ready to deliver. So just wanted to give you an update on that. I would say it'd be a delivery sometime next week. So anyhow, let's see. This will be 11 coats of varnish. The final will make 11 coats. We just lack about 4 foot of sanding here to finish the prep on this. Thank you.